Whatever type of bed you want is up to you, but however, if this is a problem in your yard, the standing water, I definitely recommend raised beds. My yard is clay, and if it rains too much, I get this big old puddle back here. Now it does recede, it doesn't stay there, but that puddle has gotten bigger than this. So you can maybe see a difference in the height of the ground. Right about here, I've marked the worst to the edge of the puddles. And so my first raised bed will be right here between these two stakes. Now this line through here stays pretty dry, so if I want to add more, I could get a few more in here, except for the heavy shade of the pine trees. But yeah, standing water, clay soil, definitely recommend raised beds. Have a good one.